Hello everyone, I'm Sohrab from AgriStuff, and today I want to show you OxyPlot Annotations. Firstly, I will add a line series on the chart, and after that I will add a arrow annotation and polygon annotation and text annotation. In click event of this button, I added some codes, simple, to add a arrow as an annotations. And in this click event, I will add a polygon annotation, and in this click event, I will add a text annotation. Also, in this button click event, I will add a line series, and this is a method to add line series on the chart. And now I want to start the project and show the result to you. Firstly, I will add a line series. This is line series. Now I want to add an arrow annotation. This is the arrow, and you can change the location of the arrow with these lines. And also now I want to add a polygon. This is the polygon. You can change the color and text on the polygon in this quotes. This is the color. And also now I want to add a text on arrow. This is the text. You can add text anywhere that you want. You can change the location of text, and also you can change the text direction. Okay. I will put the link, of course, in the description of the video, and you can have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.